Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Take Afro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to show you how to add a border to photos on iPhone. Go to App Store and download Photoshop Express and then open it. So I'm going to open it and now tap photo editor and then pick a photo that you want to edit. So I'm going to choose this one. And now swipe left and then tap borders, click on borders. From here you can add borders like this. So we have so many options for borders. So yeah, this is how you can add a border to photos on iPhone. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.